Okay, I'm doing this quick little video about some vendors I ran into inside of Macy's on 95th and Evergreen Park. The first thing I got was this little candle that's in a cute little black box. It smells so good too. Her name is, where's her card go? Where's the card? Her name is right there. Karen Home. She is on Facebook and it's an Instagram. This candle smells really, really, really good. And she got these beautiful, cute little matches to go with it. You can strike it at the bottom. Ain't these cute? And they pink. I'll show you the candle. I don't know how to open it. Look at this. This is so cute. And it smells so good. It's got a peony, lily, amber, vanilla, and musk. Smell good. It's like $40 something. The mattress was $15, but it's worth it. I didn't get a chance to light it up yet, but I will. But it's cute anyway. Next thing I got, I ran to an author entrepreneur. She wrote a book about breast cancer. I got it for my mom. She also signed it for me. She is also on social media. The next thing I got, I didn't think this was going to be too good, but I got some pickles. These are sweet and sour pickles. I lost the little card she gave me, but this is, if you can see it. These pickles is so good. They taste like, you know, you put the peppermint inside the pickle and eat it. That's what it tastes like. And I'm mad because I wish I would have got some more because I didn't think it was going to be good. But I ate most of these in the car on my way home. But some good products. So if y'all around 95th, Evergreen Park, check them out.